Bitcoin and crypto crash. 3 strategies to keep you safe. So as we're going through this massive decline in Bitcoin, I'm about to show you 3 strategies to keep you safe during all this volatility. So if you look at Bitcoin, it has taken from 19,800 down to 9,800. That's a 50% haircut. Some people argue that that's normal. That's just a 50% retracement after a gain. Some people argue that it's crashing. I'll tell you this, I don't know. I believe in blockchain technology, but a lot of things have got to happen. If you'll go back and check some of my videos, I think we were right here 7 or 8 days ago. I said that Bitcoin should go down to about 9,800. It's down at around 98, 97, 9,800 right now, 9,808. So not that I have a crystal ball, I was just looking at these moving averages. Go and check some of my previous videos and you can see how I was able to make that prediction. But I will say this, as after this consolidation period, it took a little bit longer to get to 98 than what I had anticipated. Again, no crystal ball, just looking at some tools that you can too. So now let's get on into our 3 strategies. As we go to the first strategy, is we go to Yahoo Finance and we look at all our cryptos. I showed you a video on this the other day. You want to align your trade with the overall direction of the market, and I did this video just demonstrating the other day that Bitcoin and Ethereum are the leaders in the industry. So you want to align any of these lower trades, any of these other cryptos that you're planning on trading, you want to be going in the same direction as Bitcoin and Ethereum. They have the largest market cap, they have the largest volume. These are the leaders, these are the industry leaders. These are like Apple is to tech, or like Disney is to entertainment, or Pfizer is to medical. These are going to sway the market, so you always want to align yourself with these guys right here. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the market leaders. Make sure you're doing that. So the number 2 thing is you want to go long on strength and go short on weakness. And we've been talking in my video pretty much since this point that there's weakness in Bitcoin. We've talked about being undecided here, and then this particular day right here we said there's weakness, so we would not want to go long, which means going up during a period of weakness. The only trades we'd be taking is a short trade. Over here the only trade we'll be taking is up or long trade. So these moving averages are very, very simple, but they help keep you safe. You're going long on the long trades, short on the short trades. In these areas here, this no man's land, you're staying to the side, or at best or worst, whichever way you're looking at it, you're holding in here. But once you cross over this point, you're liquidating and getting out, waiting for a buying point. And that's what I've been doing since this day right here, is waiting for a buying point for Bitcoin. I don't know where it's going to go. I don't know how low it's going to go. Eventually there will be a buying point. So that's number 2. Go long on strength and go short on weakness. So number 3, always trade on the rule of multiple indicators. Do not trade on any one technical tool or concept in isolation. So I wanted to show you guys this. This is my world that I come from. I'm a typical index trader is what I like to do. And this is the Dow, or the diamonds ETF for the Dow. And this is some of the stuff I look at. You can see I have multiple indicators here. I have the Ichimoku cloud here. I'll do a video on real soon. Have Fisher Transform. I have a MACD. This is not out of the box MACD. It's something that I've kind of customized. I have Williams %R. That's a particular way you look at this. RSI here, implied volatility here, I don't use as an indicator. I use that to kind of let me know which type of trade I'm interested in entering. Am I selling options, or am I down here buying options? This is kind of a weighted deal. I look at my candlestick, I look at the reaction around these moving averages. I don't put a lot of faith in this cloud here. It just lets me know which side of the trade to be on. I'm going to be long on the top side, short on the bottom side of this cloud. My next 2 indicators I look at is the Williams %R and RSI. I look at a couple of rules I have with these things. That's my number 2 level, and then my level of confirmation of these guys right here, the Fisher Transform and MACD. All these things have to be aligned for me to take a trade, and it seems like it'd be nearly impossible to get them aligned. But when they're all aligned, the odds are greatly stacked in my favor, and that's why I would say do not trade on one single indicator or one single rule. You want to put the total picture together, and just give you a little glimpse of what I do here. So I'm putting together a PDF of my complete trading system. It has taken me over 2 decades to develop this system. So you'll want to keep checking in with this channel to make sure that you can snatch up this PDF just as soon as it becomes available. I will also keep making new videos each day, so like and subscribe. Be sure to ding that bell so that you can get notified when I come out with a new video. In trading, you must train yourself to be like the lion. Most people do business and trade like a scared gazelle. Train yourself to be like the lion. Dominate your domain, analyze, educate, and when it's time to take care of business, you take care of business. Remember, if you don't kill it, your family doesn't eat. This is Blake Storm, SniperInvestor.com.